Hello everybody, this is Micah from Food Travelers, and in this mini, I'm sharing our experience in Sheraton Grand Los Angeles in downtown LA. This hotel, as you see here starting off, you do have to scan your room key to enter the elevator. There are no buttons in the actual elevator itself, so make sure you follow the directions there, and so you can get into your floor. And so starting off here, we got the traditional 2 queen beds in this room. We arrived here pretty late, so everything is pretty dark outside. And upon check-in, you do get 2 bottles, complimentary water bottles. There's also 2 water bottles in the room itself, so you can stay hydrated, which is really nice off the hotel. And you do see that there are also like the coffee machines in the room, and in the bathroom there's all the basic amenities that you do need, with the towels, with hair dryer, and also with all the mounted shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and there's also lotion on the countertop itself, and also both soap bar and hand washing liquid, which is really nice. Not many hotels have both options. So also in the closet, when you're entering the room, there's the safe deposit box, there's the ironing board, all the hangers that you need, and also luggage rack. And right in the center here, by the 2 beds, you have a wall plug and also a USB plug as well. So for both people who are staying on each of the beds, and also above the bed on the headboard, there is a light, which I think is really great. So if you do want to have a little bit of light while somebody else is sleeping, it won't bother everybody, which is really nice. Locking the room itself is pretty easy, pretty basic here. You also have that privacy notice here, so make sure you put that outside before you go to sleep. Sleeping overnight here, it was really quiet. It was nice. The only thing I did hear was sirens at night by the police, but other than that, I did not hear anybody else from the guests who were walking or running in the hallway, which was really nice. If you are looking for a hotel in downtown LA, definitely check this one out. And to support our channel, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and the notification bell. For more photos of food and our travels, follow us on Instagram. Thanks for watching.